Hey, I'm Brad, and today we're going to be taking a look at an OLFA knife that I absolutely love. This has been my go-to knife for the last 10 or 15 years. This knife is so handy. You wouldn't think that a knife like this would have more uses than just cutting, but it does. It has this nice little blade on the back, which is not sharp, but you'd be surprised how often I use this to get myself out of a jam when I'm building. Number one function for it would be to open up a paint can. It's very easy to pry paint cans or really pry anything at all. But I use this also when I'm building decks or if I'm doing finishing work. I can just slip it in there and I can just give something a little tweak with this knife. And keeping this on me all the time really does help. This is the OLFA LAX knife covered with a rubber overmold. Comes with the black blade, which is 18mm and is 25% sharper than their standard blades. I love the positive stops on this. It doesn't lock out, but that's one reason why I love it, because I can move it around very, very quick. I love the slide on this. It allows me to deploy the knife extremely fast and not have to worry about a little dial. Changing the blade is extremely easy as well. You just pull back on it and it'll slide out. You put a new blade in, slide it back in, and it locks in place. There's a hole in the back for a lanyard, so if you want to tie a string on there and have it hang off of something so you don't lose it. But for me, I just keep this in my pants right on my side. Again, this has been my go-to knife. I've never found another knife that I like more than this knife for everyday construction, renovating type purposes. Hope you guys liked the video. Keep on crushing it. We'll catch you later.